Alzheimer's disease is only one of the dementias, and the most predominant symptom that we all see as family members, as community members, is memory loss. And that's what we think of first, and that is predominant. But it's not the only symptom. There are many other symptoms, and some dementias, it's not memory loss, but it's frontal executive functioning, the ability to make decisions, your judgment, your sense of yourself and your personality, all of that changes, but your memory might be intact. So sometimes people with dementias are overlooked. But it's really important for families, if your older family member is forgetting things, that's a red flag. If they're refusing invitations and social events, that's a red flag. If their checkbook is not balanced, or if they're not paying bills, not because they don't have money, because they're forgetting or they're disorganized, are red flags. Weight loss or weight gain are red flags.
Housekeeping is out of order. Food in the refrigerator doesn't seem to be really fresh. The older person didn't realize they were coming, even though they had been told, they had called them up and all the arrangements had been made, and they maybe even had sent them a letter just to remind them of the dates. When families see these kinds of changes in thinking and functioning, they obviously become alarmed and start to look for some help. So these are things that we often, at holiday seasons, we might even send out in a newsletter type of a format saying, if you go home to your older parents' home, here's some things you may want to look at. And, other kinds of challenges can occur too. They may get a call from a bank saying, your mom was in here and she was with somebody we didn't recognize, and they signed, she turned over several $1,000s. We really couldn't stop her, but because we did ask her what it was for, but we felt that, we didn't know what to do. So family members may get emergency kinds of calls like that, and obviously then they're going to be very concerned about what's happening.